Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Nothing Phone 4a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust the media and the call volume. So to adjust the call volume, you open up the phone app, you press the volume up, and as you guys can see, my call volume is already maxed out. You see the phone icon. Now to change the media volume, you go over into settings, and in those settings, you open up sound and vibration. Here you got the media volume right up top, and my volume is already maxed out, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you maxing it out. It's very important. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and leave here. Now what are we going to do next is we're going to go to modes, and if you click do not disturb, make sure that it says turn on now and not turn off, because we want to make sure that do not disturb is disabled, because it can also lower the sound as it mutes notifications, calls, and people disrupting you. So we don't want it. We want to make sure that it's off. And after that, what you guys want to do is, if it occurs on your wired headphones by USB-C or an adapter, make sure to clean the charging port with a soft brush, for example. Or if it happens by the speaker, then clean the speaker. But make sure that those brushes go through, and then you will be able to clean it. Now the same goes for the charging port. And after that, what you guys can simply do is go over and, as a last resort, check for software updates. So we're gonna go over to the settings now. Again, we're gonna scroll all the way down to About Phone, tap on Nothing OS, and tap Nothing OS. So as you guys can see, I got a new system update available. So I'm gonna click Restart Now, and now the phone will restart in a second. And I recommend you guys do the same. It's very important to run the latest version, because you don't want old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.